Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team, and I am just making a video today to show you why I chose the stocks that I did for my watch list for tomorrow, October 1st. So I can't believe it's already October. Tomorrow will be my birthday month, so October is kind of my favorite month. It's been a while since I made a video. I've been having things going on. My goofy dog ate an acorn and blocked his intestines, and so we've been trying to avoid surgery because he's older. So my time has been taken up with nursing that little stinker along. So I haven't made a video. I did already make a watch list, but I just wanted to make a video to show you why I'm picking the stocks that I did for my watch list since it's been a while. So I do have the S&P futures pulled up, and you can see that it is trapped between moving averages today, and it goes back and forth from like a hammer to a doji. So I don't know if it's trying to hammer out a base and continue higher, or if it's just being really indecisive. The only thing I'm really worried about is that it's trapped between moving averages, so it could just barely go anywhere until it picks a direction. You can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it's sort of just been trading right around those moving averages. So not my favorite, but hopefully it'll choose a direction. So I picked EMLT, and the reason I did that is because you can sort of see left shoulder, head, right shoulder forming. It's also a little bit of a bull flag on the daily. If we look at the hourly, it's got a triple bottom on the hourly. So we just have to pay attention to around $4. If it can break $4, then it's going to have this 430 resistance. So I like the triple bottom on the hourly, hence why I put it on there. So triple bottom on hourly. Watch for resistance around $4 and $4.30, which is the 200 SMA on the daily. Next, I chose RRD. And the reason for that is you can see this bull flag right here. You can also see a cup and a handle on the 5-minute. If we look at the hourly, it's sort of bull flagging on the hourly. And it's not overextended on the hourly yet, so I like that. If it gets above $4, watch for resistance around $4.25. But it's a very nice bull flag there, right on the daily. Bull flag on daily. Watch for resistance around $4 and $4.25. Oh, I put a little too many 4s on there. All right, so that is RRD. Next, we'll take a look at DSLV. And so this one, you can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If it can stay above this 50 SMA, it's going to run into resistance at this 22.85. Let's look at the hourly, see what the hourly is showing us. The hourly is riding the 9. So if you are a Bullish Bears team or a Bullish Bears member, then you know that I really, really love the ride the 9 strategy. So this stock is continuing to ride the 9, which I like, with an inverse head and shoulders on the daily. So it does have room to move. And I'm just going to change this. Okay, so inverse head and shoulders on daily. Watch for resistance around 19, 21, and 200 SMA. And again, we need that to just stay above the 50. If it doesn't, it still has potential for later on down the line because it does have that inverse head and shoulders. And so here on BBW, you can see this double bottom. It's going to run into resistance at this 50 SMA. If it gets above that, then 350 is another resistance level to look at. and it is a little bit of a cup and handle with a triple bottom on the hourly. So all signs point bullish. We'll just have to wait and see what it continues to do. So I like the double bottom on daily. Watch for resistance around 50 SMA and 350. And that's BBW. Let's take a look at CAPR. So this one is holding its highs on the day so far. Let us look at the hourly. So it is bull flagging on the hourly with riding the 9. And I love a good ride the 9. And it's sort of cupish on the daily. It's not the most deep cup. It's kind of a shallow cup, but the cup is still there, which I like. So it is bull flagging on hourly. Watch for resistance around $4 and $4.50. That's CAPR. Let's look at GTT. Okay, so this one is not normally one I would put on the watch list because of all of these moving averages, but this is the most beautiful morning star pattern, which I love. And it's sort of this big cup on the 5-minute. If we look at the hourly, you can see this cup on the hourly, and we're going to have resistance around $10. So I really like this morning star pattern right here. We just need it to stay above these moving averages. So this one is a little bit considered potentially a little bit risky, but I really like the pattern that I see. Morning star pattern on daily. If price can break, price can break moving average resistance. Watch for $10 resistance. All right, so let's look at our last one for the day trade, which is USAT. So we had this one on the watch list last week, and if this is one that you continue to play, you could have, we put it on the watch list on this candlestick, so it was at or above 514, and it did go up to 755 today, but you can see this like cup here on the daily. If we look at the hourly, you can see a really big cup and handle on the hourly, and I bet you it had a gap to fill. Or that was just support and resistance. I would have thought that was a gap that I put those lines on, but it doesn't look like a gap on there. So I do like the big cup on both the daily and the hourly. If it can break above that 755, watch for resistance around $8. It may also want to come back down and test this 50 SMA, so it may form a handle, but it's got some pretty good bullish potential. So cup on daily and hourly. Watch for resistance around $7.55 and $8. So that is our day trade watch list for tomorrow, the 1st of October. For our swing trade, I picked CMEG because it's sort of forming this tiny cup. It's been hammering out a base for the past few days, and it finally went up. If you look at the hourly, it's got this cup and handle with a triple bottom on the hourly and a bull flag handle. So all signs point to be bullish, but swing trading is a little bit more difficult right now because the market is so sensitive to everything. And I think I just lost my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to put you on hold for a sec. Okay, and we're back. And you can sort of see this kind of imperfect double bottom on the daily as well. So I just like that it's kind of cupish on here, and we just have to watch for resistance around 851. So it does have some room to move. Cup on daily. I don't know if I have enough room for cup and handle on hourly, so I'm going to leave that out, but if you watch the video, then you know. Cup on daily, watch for resistance around, and I just noticed that changed that to below. Watch for resistance around 851 and yearly highs. And that would be 857.90. So that is CMG. And then I chose DE as my other stock. You can see it's sort of in this ascending triangle, and it's trying to break out of it. Broke out of it a little bit today. We also have this cup and this handle. We need to watch for resistance around, we'll say 171. Because I'm just going to keep it at a round number on there. Okay, so cup and handle inside ascending triangle on daily. Watch for resistance around 171. And so that is going to be our day trade and our swing trade watch list for tomorrow, October 1st. So if you guys aren't a member yet, then you should just head right on over here and subscribe, and you'll get access to our trade rooms, which if you have access to our trade rooms, then you guys will be in the day trade room with me tomorrow, and then you'll see me look at all the stocks I picked for the watch list and see if any of them go anywhere, or we'll talk about any of the stocks that you guys want to look at. But we do have our 14-day free trial on our monthly subscription, and then we have our yearly, which we do not refund. So if you sign up for the yearly, then you are stuck with us for the year, but you do get a 14-day free trial on the monthly, and you get access to our trade ideas, our chat rooms, everything. If you sign up for the yearly, you do save money, and you get our next level training library where we go hardcore into day trading, swing trading, and option strategies, which are a little bit more advanced and can help you be consistently profitable if you want to take the time to learn them. So we do offer a great product, if I do say so myself. I might be a little bit biased, but then this is the only trading company that I ever learned from, and I went from knowing nothing to being pretty good at trading, so it's totally worth it, and I think y'all should join, and then you guys can come and you can talk to me on Tuesdays from 9:15 to around 11. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see y'all later.